In this video, you will learn how to search for your own inventory. These are listings that you have been directly involved with. First, go to Search. Then, underneath Specialty Search, click on Inventory. If you are looking for past sales, you want to click on the magnifying glass. Then scroll down and select All Sold. Once done, click on Save. Under Listing Owner, select Your Own Listings. For Listing/Listed, if you want to see all the transactions where you have represented the buyer, then select Sold. If you want to see transactions where you represented the seller or were the listing agent, select Listed. If you want to see both, choose Listed or Sold. If you want to see your sold listings within a certain time frame, scroll down and you can pick either list date, expire date, status date, hot sheet, and more. You can add more criteria too. When you are done adding criteria, click on Search. And now you know how to look up your own inventory. If you have any questions, you can call tech support at 925-730-7100. Thanks for watching.